Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now yellow. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also just go into settings, scroll down just a bit and click on display. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!